Today is March 11. Now we're walking here in EHT. Ang ganda. Actually, it's my first time dito. So it's my first time to visit here na. And since the weather today is so nice, 16 degrees. Earlier was 17, but now since it's already 3 p.m. so 16 degrees, and I tell my dudong to let's take a walk outside, like go somewhere close. So it's like maybe like 10 to 15 minutes from home, and I love it here because it's a nature. At the same time, you can see the lake right there. So that's it. So here it is now. We're here in the nature. I'll just show you around yung view dito. And actually, since Mamensi bake pugacha, I told Tutong to tell Mamensi na tell her to bring pugacha while we're walking here in the nature, because I'm sure we're gonna get hungry. Actually, the reason we're just going out, it's not just getting fit. I mean, it's one of those, but still, since I'm nursing, I need to eat from time to time. Madali akong magutom. So, and the good thing is pugacha is freshly baked. So I feel like I'm so excited to eat it, and I feel like maybe we're gonna get some rest a little bit later. We're gonna eat the pugacha. So catch up you later, guys, and I'll show you the view. All the streets, you know, oh my god, you bring beer. So it's pugacha time. Wow!
Look, my mom got you like
Also,
you didn't eat in 3 days.
Oh, perfect. I love it. Eat. Give me. Are there? Soft. Very soft. That's what I love. Namit kayo.
Chubritsa.
Chubritsa daw.
You want chubritsa?
Chubritsa. Yeah. Pugacha with chubritsa. Very soft. Just to make sure now we're not gonna get hungry with the chubritsa. And also with my bira. So we came right there, right there, right there. So we're just turning around. See, we came right there and now we're right here. She's bored. Her tate is talking to Bulgarians, so they see each other there. Bibinsi! Ang kachinga naman na. Andiyan mo na, uy. You get bored there. I'm gonna play with the duck with you, okay? Oh, duck, quack, 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 quack. It's a little duck? It's your duck, right? Quack, 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 quack. Huh? Quack, 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 quack. Huh? Quack, 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 quack. We're done with our trail, so we enter from there, and now we're done with our trail. So we come out from there. We come out from there. Bibinsi, are you okay, Bibinsi? You okay? Yeah. So we're finished. Now we're about to go.